you'll come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean with me to give y'all some cleaning motivation to get your house going for today. I did make a list for today, and that includes dishes, clean the counters, dining room, vacuum the whole main living area, pick up living room, put away clothes, clean sliding doors, and dry clothes and put away. So that is my list for today. I hope you guys get some good cleaning motivation and enjoy this video. I did start today with putting clothes in the dryer because we needed to get some baseball pants dried for today on this day. So that's why I started with a load of clothes, and I typically like to start in my bedroom or in the kitchen. Today I'm starting in the kitchen, just tidying up and cleaning up what is left. Here I am just throwing away the bacon fat. I throw it away in the bag and put in the trash that way. And then the lovely ice trays that we have to do to have our ice.
Go for hope and glory, go long. Baby, for love, go all for love.
Oh, and I have a mound full of avocados because there is an avocado tree in our neighborhood and we got some from a friend. So that's why we have a ton of avocados.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leads. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite, we're dynamite.
So I got this older Ray Dunn item from a thrift store for $1, and honestly it does its job really good, but I am on the lookout for a newer little dish holder. The color is very off, it's not longer white anymore, so I am on the lookout for it, but not in a hurry. But this does its job really well.
But we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break.
Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if this video is motivating you to clean, or if you have any other suggestions for videos. I am all ears. Let me know down below.
Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite, we're dynamite.
So this floor is super forgiving because you can't see the crumbs from far away, but up close you can see all the crumbs the kids make And this is one of the reasons why I love my Dyson vacuum. It picks up the crumbs in no time practically, and I do this at least twice a day. With meals and snacks, the kids can make quite a mess, and then if it's not picked up, the crumbs get everywhere else. So that's why it's got to get picked up. But one of the many reasons why I love this cordless vacuum, seriously recommend it to any moms with any kids, and matter of fact, to anyone that has to clean up after messes. So seriously recommend any cordless vacuum. I love this one so much.
I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems.
I really love this glass cleaner. It doesn't leave streaks like Windex does, in my opinion. I've had lots of trouble with Windex and it leaves streaks for me, but maybe I'm not doing something right. But this glass cleaner really does the job really well. I don't have to go back ever, really. So it just does the job really well for me.
Stopping romance in the madness. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
So we have 2 sliding doors in this house, so lots of door cleaning, and I did not have to go back for any of these doors with any of the cleaners, so that was really good because it's a lot of cleaning to do for these.
You already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete things, got me.
So all you mamas out there with kids that play with Legos, I wanted to tell y'all about these container bins that hold all the Legos that I'm keep walking over. Really, really good idea, because after they are done playing with them, they can just put them in these bins and then put them in that white stackable little container that contains all the Legos. Our kids love Legos, and we even got rid of like a whole bag when we did the kids declutter and organization. We got rid of a ton, but they continue to play with them, so we're obviously not going to get rid of all of them, but just letting y'all know, these bins are lifesavers. They carry them even outside or living room, and it keeps them contained. So just a tip for you guys. I am just chatting away today, guys. I am so sorry about that. I just wanted to let y'all know about this little woven basket that we have in the living room. Once this is full with toys, we will take whatever is left to the kids' bedroom. That way we don't have an overload of toys in the living room, because the kids obviously will still play with them. But just wanted to give that tip to you guys. If you have like a basket or a bin that you keep in your living room, and then once it's full, everything else needs to go to their bedroom.
I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless.
So it is pretty much pool and beach season all year round here in Hawaii. So I pretty much have to fold towels all the time, but I honestly don't mind folding towels. My mother-in-law showed me how to fold towels back in the day, and ever since then I fold them the way she folds them, and I just love them because it's all uniform. And before that, I really honestly didn't know how to fold towels, and as you see, like, this pile gets bigger, and I just like it when it's all uniform.
Bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Jake wanted to help me, so I of course let him, and you will see him being very silly. He's like this pretty much all the time, but you'll see it in a clip here shortly.
'Cause everybody knows that I've been on the grind, but I ain't never ever given up this time. Up this time. Up this time. Up, 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 I've never ever given up this time.
So now I am all done with cleaning, which feels so good. It's been a while, to be honest with you guys, and making these videos does help me with getting my act together and tidying up and cleaning up what I needed to do. So I want to thank you guys also for giving me the motivation and getting this done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Everybody's saying that I lost my mind, but I